Tell me honestly, how many times have you looked in the mirror and thought, I am not enough. I don't deserve abundance. Maybe money isn't for me. You see, that single thought, just that one doubt, has blocked more wealth than any crisis, any economy, any failure. Because money is not just paper. It is energy, and energy only flows where it feels loved. If you do not love yourself, money will never feel safe with you. But tonight, that story ends. Because you are about to discover a truth so powerful, it can shift your reality forever. Money loves you when you finally love yourself. But wait, before we go deeper, I want you to do something. Hit that subscribe button right now, because this isn't just a video. It's the beginning of a new chapter in your life. And in the comments, write, I choose self-love. I choose abundance. Because the moment you declare it, the universe starts rearranging itself for you. Stay with me till the end, because what I'm about to share is not motivation. It is the hidden key that unlocks feminine energy, self-love, and unstoppable wealth. Point 1. Self-love is the magnet of abundance. Let me take you somewhere inside your own heart. Imagine you're standing in front of a mirror, but this time, you don't just see your face, you see the truth. Every wound, every doubt, every time you said to yourself, I'm not good enough, the mirror reflects it all. Now listen carefully. The universe does not send wealth to emptiness. It sends wealth to fullness. And fullness comes from one source, self-love. Money is not running away from you. It is waiting for the moment you finally say, I accept myself, I honor myself, I love myself as I am. Because when you love yourself, something magical happens. Your energy changes. Your presence softens. Your heart stops begging and starts receiving. And money, like a river, flows easily into that love. Think of the most magnetic people you've ever seen. It's not their looks, not their fame, not their status. It's their glow. That unshakable aura that says, I know my worth, and I refuse to settle for less. That glow comes only from self-love. And when you have it, abundance cannot resist you. Right now, in the comments, declare it. I am worthy. I am love. I am abundance. Because your words are energy. And the moment you write it, the universe listens. And don't forget, hit subscribe, because this journey isn't just about money. It's about becoming the most powerful version of you. Never forget, when you fall in love with yourself, the whole universe falls in love with you too. Point 2. Money responds to your inner energy. Money is not just coins or notes. It is alive. It listens. It feels. Every time you think, I am broke, I am unlucky, I am not worthy, money hears you and quietly steps away. But the moment you shift your inner energy, the moment you whisper with love, I am enough, I am safe, I am grateful for what I have, money turns its head back towards you. It says, here is someone I can trust. Here is someone who values me, because they first value themselves. This is the secret no one told you. Money is not attracted to greed. It is attracted to peace. It is not attracted to fear. It is attracted to love. So when you rise each morning, when you sleep each night, carry this energy inside you. Gentle, grateful, loving. Because that energy is the invitation, and money always responds to an invitation of love. Write in the comments right now, my energy attracts abundance. Say it, type it, feel it, because the universe is listening to your every word. And yes, if this message is reaching your heart right now, subscribe, because this channel will never let you forget who you truly are. A magnet of love, a magnet of wealth, a magnet of miracles. Remember, money doesn't chase power. Money chases love. And when you love yourself, you become unstoppable. Point 3. Feminine energy is the secret door to wealth. Take a breath and notice. Your heart beats without chasing. The flowers bloom without forcing. The ocean receives every river without running after them. This is the essence of feminine energy. It is gentle, but it is not weak. It is calm, but it is not passive. It is the quiet power of receiving. Most of us were taught the opposite. Work harder, run faster, chase money, force success. And yes, action has its place. But without feminine energy, action feels like a battle you can never win. Feminine energy whispers a different truth. I do not chase, I attract. I do not beg, I allow. I do not force, I flow. When you love yourself deeply, you stop asking money to complete you because you already feel complete. And that completeness is irresistible. Money, opportunities, abundance, they all flow towards you because they feel safe in your energy. Think about it. Would you rather give your heart to someone desperate and restless, or to someone calm, glowing, full of self-trust? Money is no different. It seeks peace. It seeks love. It seeks flow. This is the secret door. Feminine energy opens what force can never unlock. It is not about chasing money. It is about becoming the kind of soul money wants to stay with. If this touched something deep inside you, comment right now. I flow, I receive, I attract. Because the moment you write it, your energy begins to shift. And don't forget to subscribe, because this channel will remind you again and again that you don't have to fight for abundance. You simply have to let it come. Remember this forever. The rivers don't chase the ocean, yet the ocean receives them all, and so will you. Point 4. Money mirrors the love you give yourself. Listen closely. Money is not just paper. Money is not just numbers. Money is energy, and energy is always reflecting, always mirroring. When you look in the mirror and smile with love, the mirror smiles back. When you look with anger, the mirror shows you the same. Money works exactly like that mirror. It does not create your story. It only reflects the one you already tell yourself. If deep inside you whisper, I'm not enough, I'm not worthy, I don't deserve abundance, money reflects that back by slipping away, by avoiding you, by making you chase it. But the moment you whisper with truth, I am enough, I am worthy, I am complete as I am, money listens. It feels your love, it feels your peace. And like a loyal friend, it stays. Pause for a moment. Put your hand on your heart. Feel that heartbeat. That is proof you are already rich. Life is pouring into you every second without asking anything in return. This is the key. The more you love yourself, the more money loves you, because money is just an extension of your energy. It is not separate from you. It is you, reflected back. So the question is not, how do I get more money? The question is, how deeply can I love myself today? If this truth is landing in your soul right now, type in the comments, I am worthy, I am enough, I am love. Seal it with your words, because the universe listens when you declare. And remember, subscribe to this channel, because every time you return here, you'll be reminded of who you truly are. A magnet for love, a magnet for peace, a magnet for wealth. Money mirrors the love you give yourself. And you, my friend, are ready to love yourself more than ever. Point 5. Your feminine energy is the secret magnet. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine the ocean. Waves rising, waves falling, gentle, powerful, endless. That is feminine energy. It does not chase, It does not run. It simply flows, and everything comes back to it. Money, like the tide, is pulled by this energy. The more you try to grab it, hold it, force it, the more it slips through your fingers. But when you relax into your own power, when you breathe into your worth, when you let life know, I am open, I am ready, I am safe to receive, money cannot resist you. Feminine energy is not about doing more. It is about being more. Being soft, yet strong. Being calm, yet magnetic. Being love in its purest form. And money is drawn to that softness. It feels safe with you. It feels wanted. It feels adored. This is why so many people chase wealth and never find it. Because they forgot to rest in their own feminine energy. They forgot that receiving is as powerful as giving. So tonight, as you listen, tell yourself, I am open to receive. I welcome abundance with grace. I am magnetic. Money loves me because I love myself. If you are feeling that soft pull in your heart right now, drop a comment. I am magnetic to money. Write it, feel it, claim it. And if you haven't yet, hit subscribe, because every night when you return here, your feminine energy will grow stronger, and money will flow to you more easily, more naturally, like the ocean returning to the shore. And now, as this night whispers around you, remember this truth. Money is not your master, it is your mirror. It comes where there is love. It stays where there is peace. It grows where there is worth. And you, right here, right now, are love itself. You are worthy. You are magnetic. You are unstoppable. Take this feeling with you as you close your eyes tonight. Let it sink into your heart. Let it travel through your breath. And when you wake up tomorrow, the world will already be shifting for you. Because you dared to believe. Because you chose to love yourself. Because you remembered. Money loves you because you love yourself. If this touched your soul tonight, share your truth in the comments. I am ready to receive. Write it, own it, seal it into your destiny. And don't forget to subscribe so you can return here every night to grow, to heal, and to rise even higher. Good night, my friend. Your abundance is waiting for you.